going to demonstrate a model of the strategy Think, Talk, Open. If you're experiencing problems such as students not feeling confident enough to contribute their ideas, then this strategy might be a useful one. You might want to copy the strategy, or you might want to adapt it for your own context. If you do adapt it, do remember to try to maintain the steps that we think make this strategy effective. These are: ask an open-ended question or prompt that invites reasoning, explanation, or opinion. Ensure it's challenging but accessible for all learners. Give students 30 to 60 seconds to reflect and formulate their own thoughts silently. Encourage them to visualise their ideas or jot notes if needed. Ask students to turn and discuss their thoughts with a partner. Prompt them to explain, ask questions, or challenge each other using talk stems. And invite students to share their ideas from their partner discussions with the whole class. Cold call or ask for volunteers, encouraging pupils to reference each other's contributions. I'm now going to model what this might look like in a classroom. The class has been learning about political, religious and financial tensions in 17th century England. The teacher wants students to reason about which factor was most important. Here's your question. Which factor do you think was the biggest cause of the English Civil War? Was it money, power, or religion? And why? This isn't about right or wrong answer, it's about how well you can explain your reasoning. So, let's take 30 seconds to think quietly. No talking yet. Just gather your ideas. You can jot down a few words if that helps. Okay, off you go. Okay, thanks everybody. Now, turn to your partner and explain what you thought. Remember to try to build on each other's ideas or ask, why do you think that? Off you go. Yes, that's excellent. Well done, keep on. Well done, James, that's really focused and respectful talk there. That's a really thoughtful point. Can you ask each other if your reasons are similar or different? Okay, let's bring it back. I'd love to hear some of the ideas that you discussed. Liam, what did your partner think? Okay, great. Well done, Isla. Thanks. That's a really strong argument. Did anyone have a different view? Maybe you might have picked power or money, for example. Taylor, can you share what you and Morgan discussed, please? Yes, great point. And why? I love that. That's great. Well done. So, really useful discussions, everybody. Everyone had time to think, rehearse and share. And what we're doing by doing that is building strong historical reasoning by talking through our ideas first, which is really, really important. So, As you can see, that strategy encourages depth of thinking, active listening, and an equitable participation, and it's adaptable across all subjects.